3-minute video of how to install these aftermarket struts on my 93 Toyota Supra. Of course, the bolts are on this side, under here, through the plastic. So first you have to remove the plastics, which requires removing a lot more than just a couple pieces. First, remove these screws to remove these things. That one's already now off. Then remove this clip. This whole thing comes off. Once you have removed some of this stuff, try not to break anything. Fold the seats down. Then pop this off. Pop that out. Pop that off. Remove these Phillips screws. Actually, don't worry about this one. But pop this down and get this one. Now you should have enough access to the screws. Or the nuts. Grab a bunch of wrenches, because you don't know which one it is. So it's a 10 millimeter. Let's get it. Get your hand in here like so and loosen it the rest of the way with your fingers. Be careful not to drop them. That's what the bolts look like. And again, before you do this, make sure you have the new ones in position holding the hatch up if they're already blown out so it doesn't fall down on you when you remove the old struts. Remove this bracket. Be careful not to hit your quarter panel, please. Then remove these two nuts. LiftSupportersDepot.com. Not sponsored by them. There's a spring here. Well, it's a clip. This slides, comes out, and you can place the new bracket inside. If it doesn't match up correctly, it rotates. The whole thing can rotate to match up correctly. Very helpful hint, install this bracket first. Use the new provided hardware, these two nuts. Now that the nuts on this opposite side of the bracket are securely fastened, move to the top here of the hatch. More new hardware. These two new bolts were provided. And there you have it. Now just put everything back together as you took it apart and do the same thing for this side as we did for this side. One is enough to actually hold it up. Once you get the other one in, you'll be good to go. When purchasing these, remember to get the correct ones that have the spoiler. This is the number you want for the spoiler. Without the spoiler, you can get the other ones. They're a little bit cheaper, but these are much stronger.